Hi Stackers, Regal Stacker back again. I've got a very nice unboxing here. I know lately you've seen a lot of bullion and I can get this stupid thing open. There we go. Well wrapped, as you can see. Some of these are damned hard to open. There we go. Damn hard. And in the bag is another bag. Or in the box is another box. Sorry about this, I should have done most of this, but well worth the wait. That is, half the stuff hasn't been nicked. Right, here we go. Pull the whole lot out. A few coins here, wouldn't you say? So, let's take a look at the 2012 £2 sovereign PCGS PR 70 cam with the witch on the back. Then you have the 2012 sovereign. Then you have the 2012 half sovereign. They're all PR70s. Then you have the 2012 quarter sovereign. You can hardly see that, but there you go. So there you go, there's 4. Let's go to the next one. Wait for that, I'm just sorting these out, I do apologise. Right, let's do this one. It's 1986 Sovereign, PF70 Ultra Cameo. Not bad, eh? 1986. Yeah, 1986. Then we have the 2009 Quarter Sovereign. The 2009 Full Sovereign, PF70 Ultra Cameo. There's our ugly bush. And the 2009 Half Sovereign. Then we have the 1985 Sovereign, PF70 Ultra Cameo. Queen again. Looks a bit younger there, doesn't she? And then we have the 2006 £5 Sovereign. Look at that. What a beautiful coin the £5 Sovereign is. PF70 Ultra Cameo. And then obviously you'll have seen this on Numis Stacker's channel. I bought this off Numis Stacker, but obviously if you look, it's the 2017 £2 Sovereign, and it's under the Regal collection. So a lot of my coins have been transferred over to the Regal collection. Be a Regal stacker, that's my point. Then you have the 2017 Half Sovereign under the Regal collection. PF70 again. And then you have the 2017 Half Sovereign, PF70 Ultra Cameo, the Regal collection. So, if you look here, these are all sovereign coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 sovereigns in one unboxing. But look at, I mean, that is quite an unusual sovereign for 2012. This will be sent to NGC, converted into one of their holders, and with the Regal collection on. And the same with all these, they all will all become the Regal collection. So I know you've seen a lot of bullion over the past couple of months, but on the quiet side I've been working on the sovereigns as well, and gold, as you would have seen from my last video. So, you know, I just think that the 2017 sovereign, I know it's a copy of the 1817, but it is just one of the best coins about. And you get a good feel for it in the £2, but in the £5, it's just an immense coin. So I will do an update on my stack. So please let me know what you think. Do you like sovereigns? If you don't, then you've been wasting your time watching this. But this is Regal Stacker, sovereign loving man. You know, keep stacking everyone. Bullion as well as sovereigns and gold. The day is a-coming. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the icon, the bell button, so that you're informed of when I get more coins in. and subscribe and leave your comments. I'm interested to find out what you think. This is Regal Stacker. Have a good day. Keep going.